Hi, and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. If you've been waiting and looking for a sign on if you should redecorate your home or your space with a modern decor style, this is it. I've put together this video just as an inspiration guide for you, room by room, to really determine if modern decor is your style, and if so, to go ahead and get started on it. You never have to do a redecoration or a renovation all at once. Take your time. Actually, check out my video on slow decorating. It's up on my channel. You can switch out a few pieces here or there and just see how far modern that you really want to go. Do you want to go extreme modern? Do you just want to have some modern influences and touches here or there? This is your sign. Modern home decor is beautiful. It's not overdone, it's not too fussy, but it still allows you to really just go ahead and infuse your particular personality in it. Now we're transitioning to modern kitchens, a really clean, uncluttered space for you to cook, for your family to gather, and it's absolutely stunning and beautiful. So if you've been thinking about taking this leap and going modern, this video is for you. If you are one of those people that would absolutely not go modern for any amount of money in the world, this video is for you too. Just look at the images and just say, yeah, that's a pretty room, but it wouldn't work in my house. Thank you so much for watching. video inspire you to go ahead and take the leap to go modern? Are you already a modern home decor lover and just wanted to see some beautiful images for inspiration, maybe on what to go ahead and update your home with? Or are you just watching this video because you love the channel? If so, I would really appreciate that. I really hope you all have enjoyed the video. We've seen some images of far extreme modern and just some rooms with a few modern touches here or there. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.